Guys, it's snowing outside and I decided to head out and show you how it looks like. And can you imagine how much snow is there in ground? It's like up to 20 to 25 centimeter. Yeah. And look at this snow. It looks so scary. Do you know what is the most difficult thing to do in snow? It's walking and driving. If you do not have your own vehicle, then it is going to be a very hard to travel in weather. Sometimes you won't be able to get public vehicle and you have to wait for Uber, which also take a lot of time to come. It is still snowing and it will not be easy to clean the whole area, so it is all messed up here. There is snow in everyone's house, in front of everyone's house, and you can't say anything because it is still snowing. If you clean this now, then it will be same after an hour. So yeah, so they are not doing anything, but over there some people are cleaning. This is the night of Snowstorm, and I will show you tomorrow morning how it looks like. Either it is cleaned or more messy.